what's going on, everybody? As you can see, I'm in the car going to Meet. It's called like Mochinut or something like that. One of my friends hosts it. The guy that actually owns the place, he's an OG from back in the day, like when what was it, Canopy and Fatless and all that stuff used to come out. So checking that out. It's the second time I've gone to it. First meet was actually pretty dope. They got a DJ, so it's a car meet. It's not one of those clapped out ones that you see all the time where it's like regular ass traffic. You'll see, I mean, you'll see the footage once I put it in here. But yeah. And no idea where the fuck he is. There's really never any cops on the 95, as you can tell. Everybody just uses it as the Autobahn, essentially. So yeah, see you there. Look who finally decided to show up.
What's up, bro?
What took you guys so long?
We missed a turn.
You missed a turn?
Yeah.
Whose fault was it for missing a turn?
Jose was leading.
Jose was leading?
Yeah, I don't know if it was
that fucking beaner at?
He texted me and said, Mochinut GOS. It said GOS, not GPS, so I'm not sure.
GPS?
GOS.
Ryan was saying fucking Charles parks next to him because he thinks that car is that car.
Yeah, it says it on the other side. One of these GTR.
Yeah, but it doesn't have the R. Like, look, he even knows it ain't got the fucking R.
It's a Mustang.
Fucking. What is this? Wait, what kind of fucking, what engine this thing got in it?
I have no idea.
Fucking
It's not a Coyote though, I know that.
It's not real. There's are they over there?
Yeah.
If you want to come out to a car show, come to Mochinut. Really good. Right now, everyone's kind of rolling in, but yeah, usually this lot on all the way down there is fucking full. You got your exhaust, right?
Yeah.
How's that sound?
I got the cats taken out. It's a lot meaner than it was. Yeah.
Is it raspy?
It's not. It's the opposite.
Because the H pipe removed it.
It's more raspy. There's pros and cons. It doesn't rev match as smooth.
Yeah.
And I do feel a little power loss.
When are you gonna clean the fucking car off?
I cleaned it since then.
Bullshit.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I was going to today.
What happened?
That's all I got.
What's your name? What do you do?
My name's Isis.
Your name's Isis?
Yep.
And what do you do?
I do
Gay porn?
No.
Cool, that's gonna be in the video. Awesome.
That's why I recognize it from.
Gay porn, right? Fucking, what's your search history look like?
Here.
Upload?
Yeah. What up, dude? What took you guys so long?
My dad missed the turn.
What?
My dad missed the turn.
There it is. Yo, got him. Got him. Well, that's a nice little wide angle.
What's up, guys?
What up? How you doing?
We made it.
What are you doing? You're really good at that noise.
You park over there.
Yeah, you tell him, Roy. You tell him.
Hey, mister.
You
You
tell
can't
him,
park
Roy.
there.
You tell him. Go ask for it.
You can park over there.
Go ask for his license, his ID.
Or over there.
Go ask for his documentation.
Ah! Look.
Bro is mad. Man's is mad. Oh damn, you almost fucking sideswiped fucking GT over here.
Let the cops know he's not wearing a seatbelt. Get his license plate.
Oh, why you geeking for it?
Because I'm looking at the time and it's upside down.
What?
The time is upside down. I know
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh damn, it is.
My bad, I
Oh, it's time.
What time
All
is?
your videos are going to be upside down.
I know, that's exactly it. Now, so what'd you get?
Dubai chocolate donut.
Open it up. Open up the box. Show us what's in the box. It better not be a D. Okay, what is that?
That's beautiful.
What's that yellow stuff?
What is that?
It's a Dubai chocolate. Is Dubai chocolate?
Yeah,
Why are you walking away? Hey, just put it in your mouth. Just put it in your mouth. Oh shit. Videotaping the videographer.
We never left you.
What you got? Oh my god. Dude, this setup, how much you pay for the setup? Don't tell us. It's gonna fucking, yeah, that's right.
Easy, he has the invoice in his pocket.
He pulls it out. It's like fucking, it's the same cost as someone's wheels. Why are you giggling? This guy's like, please get out of my way. Please get out of my way. I turn now. Good luck, everybody. Oh yeah, lick that shit. Got Josh's Saline wannabe Mustang. Parked next to, what is this, Mach 1, that's nice. The Caddy. The Subi. Loy's fucking clapped out Accord. Chad's Nissan Sentra right here.
It's a Malibu.
It's a Malibu?
Malibu. Malibeezy.
What makes it, oh, this is going on government official pages.
Oh, perfect.
What's your ranking,
Let me hold it. Let me hold it.
What in the fuck is going on over here?
That's Vinny with the Ferrari.
Watch it be two-wheel drive.
That's Vinny with the Ferrari.
Does you know there's a giant ass
The green
dip
Ferrari?
behind him?
The old.
348.
Yes. Yeah. The one that was.
Is he just gonna park like that?
Yeah, I think so. Dude, they gotta show that they have four-wheel drive. Hey, dude, you should have brought your Tacoma.
Oh,
Yeah. Hey. It did it better than the BMW.
Yeah, you
what
saw
the
that?
hell, bro? What the hell?
Look at that! Hey, look at that divot you left in the ground over there.
Yeah.
Holy shit! I got you, 4K. What you looking at? What you doing? You making
Pictures? I don't know how to take pictures.
You know how to take pictures?
No.
What do you mean? You have a bougie ass camera. You know how to take photos?
There's a dude behind you.
Hey man.
This is one of those, like, I'll show you the picture.
This is what prison in the Philippines is like?
Tiny Filipino dudes coming up on top of you guys.
Right here and
What's poking my ankle? Hey. We'll walk around here a little bit. So, we got Jose's shark blue, emphasis on the shark blue entry. His car was all black, so now it's the shark blue. We got Ryan's M2. We got Tyler's Supra. We got my piece of shit. And we got FRS. Another FRS. Cool. I think it's a cool. Some innocent car right there. SDK. The Civic. Another Civic. Another Civic. Civic. 350. Oh shit. Oh shit. What, you put your hair in a bun?
I cut it all the way off.
That quick?
I'm being so cruel. You want to see?
Why? Why?
I got
Well, you
tired
got
of
bored when you went home. You're like, I'm gonna get myself a cut.
it. Nah, what is it? I got tired of the long hair. Dude, it hurt my
It
soul.
wasn't even that long.
No. I cut off.
You show Ryan yet?
I cut off 8 inches.
Just walk up to Ryan and be like,
Where is Ryan?
He's right there. He's so yeah, just go up and be like, what up, fam? Wait, hold on.
Coming with?
Yeah. You
Dude,
gotta like,
it's so weird having short hair right now.
you gotta like sneak up behind, be like, what up, fam?
I'm gonna hug him.
How long was your hair?
My hair came all the way down to my chest when it was how it was earlier.
Yeah.
But if I straighten it out, it will come down to like the middle of my back. Call me Hawaiian, dude.
No, like my back.
Yo!
No, so I looked that way, and I was like, yeah, he's just with some random guy with a camera. And then I saw your face. What the?
I was like,
You get a haircut today or something?
Yeah.
I was
Did
like,
you? Because you didn't look like that this morning.
No.
Okay.
I was like, why'd you put your hair in a bun? And he's like, I cut it off. I'm like, what do you mean? He took it off? And I'm like, oh my god.
Dude, it's so weird having
Honestly,
short hair.
Don't remember what your hair looked like this morning then.
It was
Don't
longer.
remember the mop?
Like longer than
It
that.
hasn't changed like since I've known you.
So he was like emo.
Yeah.
He was emo? Can black people even be emo?
No, we can't at all. Well, unless you're Lil Nas X. Which now he's homeless.
What you got to do?
I'm not
He
inserting
got the,
myself
it's
in the
velvet.
conversation.
All right, sorry, got distracted. We went to, what was it? We went to Morningwood Social, and we met up. We were just walking around, and his hair was like down to like his upper chest, and it was just crazy. Now he chopped it completely off, but yeah, it's funny stuff.
I know Super with the candy cane. Oh shit! What's that? The what orange? It's like molten. No, it's not molten. Is it molten? Molten orange? No. Fuck. What did she say? Molten lava. Something. Fuck. I can't remember. Damn. Look at all them leaves, boy. And she just got this thing back. This thing sounds fucking crazy as fuck. She put a video up, and it's like, it's the equivalent of like a V8 with like a supercharger. Shit's fucking wild as fuck. The Mustang just doing laps looking for people to hit. The Scooby with the gooseneck spoiler. Got slammed into everyone. This thing's broken, bro. What the fuck? Hell yeah. Got a stock Supra. We got this thing. R33 is clean as fuck, all carbon fiber. We got this thing. And here's the owners. What makes your car better than his in every single way?
About 1,000 horsepower. It's fast.
It's brass.
It's fucking like 900 horsepower more.
Dude, me and Ryan were walking around. You're doppelganger. You have a doppelganger here. He stood by my car and no shit. I was like, what the fuck is Charles doing to my car? And he got up and we're like, that is not fucking Charles. See, look, there he is. Oh my god, it's like Inception. It's like he walked right by a mirror. He's trying to take a photo. You trying to take a photo, right? He said hater.
Content creator. Oh yeah.
Why else do you think I have this thing? Look, it's prop for my pleasure.
Somebody goes in a wreck, you're like, you gotta run that. Oh!
I'm gonna do that shit to Lloyd. Look, why are you sucking on that thing so hard, Lloyd? It's like a little kid at like where you get the hot dogs thrown out of his face. What is that?
Yeah. Oh, all the hot dogs just fall on his face.
Why are you always eating and drinking weird shit?
Because he's he's got a fucking
You went to tapeworm? What tapeworm that takes away height too?
Yes.
Oh my god, is that culture driven? Is your name Jose?
No,
What
it's
can you tell us about you, Jose? What are you doing, Jose? You taking photos? What you do?
Y'all hear that? Did y'all hear that blow off valve? Oh my god.
Wait, on what? On Louis?
The GTI. They always do that. It's like, hey, just so y'all know, I have a blow off valve. If Tyler's brother's coming, he's FHP. He's gonna hit the lights when he comes in.
Was he really?
Yeah.
Wait, what is he gonna pretend to shut the shit? He should.
Oh, hey,
Tell him to shut the
Tyler,
shit.
pretend to like shut it down.
Yeah, dude. Oh my god, dude, you have to.
Everybody with a car less than $50,000.
Yeah, please. That would be amazing.
I've never been there.
Is this thing super JDM or what? Right?
BMW, what are you talking
It's
about?
a BMW. Is it an M2?
Yeah.
What can you tell us about your M2, sir?
Well, I know my M2's faster than that fucker's M2. Problem.
Damn, you ain't got no clapback or nothing?
Nope, slow.
Who hurt you today?
You.
Me? What did I say?
No one heard that. Good.
What did I say? Why you walking away? Well, you think you want to get mugged by the homeless guy?
Ryan, what are you on right now?
Are you scared? Oh shit! Are you scared? All right, we may or may not die.
Hey, I'm gonna be all turned at the same time.
The homeless guy that was scaring Ryan is now scaring us.
The black guy's scared, which is crazy.
Yeah. The black guy's scared, the brown guy's scared, the Asian guy's really fucking scared. Why was Loy looking?
He's leaking coolant.
He's leaking. You're leaking coolant? Putang ina, you're leaking coolant? How bad? Oh, I smell something.
A little bit over there, but I think I haven't drove it, you know, a long time, so it's like hot. You call the hot shit, whatever.
What are you, a fucking weatherman?
Where was it at? Yeah, it's funny. Tyler seen you on the highway one time, and then he was like, "Oh, he's in our chat." He was like, "It's a funny dude." I was like, "I know, he's fucking hilarious."
Thanks.
So like the how many times did I think that Charles was you because he had your PFP?
Oh my
your
god.
profile
Oh
picture?
yeah.
I was like, what the fuck?
He's like, I
He was
couldn't
talking
change it for a fucking minute.
Yeah.
What we got here? Dude, this pollen is so bad. I don't know what's going on, but the pollen in Northern Jacks is atrocious. Let's say I got his lights on for no reason. Oh god, they all got their lights on. It's not even dark out. I don't think there's anything over there, but yeah, pretty much that. It's going to fill up, going to that, and that whole back lot will fill up. Yeah, it's popping.
Oh, so you saw your best friend?
You just gotta get better at driving.
Now I can't say shit. Ooh.
Should have been there.
I tried to move out of your way and I couldn't move.
Let's see the cow tongue.
Yeah, oh my god. Wait, what'd you get?
He got cow tongue. This is, what is it? I think this is DeLangua. Yeah, this is DeLangua.
This is recording me, You said that's the cow tongue? Damn, you just littering everywhere.
You need paper towels?
Pull out a piece.
I did.
It's got little bristles on it. It's disgusting. You look. Hell no. Hell. That's it.
You didn't even sound like Tyler, dude.
That wasn't even loud.
Did you get it on video too?
Barely.
Oh, damn it.
He gotta use his man voice.
Dude, y'all sound the same.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Do a wheelie. Oh, yeah, what's up, guys? Wiener, 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 dick, dick, dick. That's how they are. And then it's like, hey, don't move. I want to take a picture of you.
Why homeboy speeding through here? Like, fucking, where are you going, man? He said, hey, there's a cop here. I gotta go.
Bro. Hey, Jose.
Excuse me, sir. Are you old enough to be driving this?
No, I'm just sitting in it.
Okay, just making sure. The man, the myth, the putang ina. Putang. All right, guys, that wraps up today. It was very fun. Car's back in here. Well, maybe one of these videos I'll do a walkthrough of the car, and then maybe a walkthrough of the bug. Who knows? Yeah, that was fun. If you enjoyed today's content, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Hey guys, so obviously made to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. Pretty much just a recap of everything yesterday. Right, so we went to Mochinut, hosted by Ron. Super cool dude. He's got a Subaru. He's turboing it, and he's changed the vinyl wrap on it. So looking forward to seeing the outcome of that. If you're wondering, this is Blue. She's a boxer, but anyway, we ended up going to Latin Creation. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Latin Creations. Really good spot. It was right up the street from Mochinut. They had live music where we met Denim Danny, as I like to call her, and then we ended up seeing Bad Bunny. He made an appearance, but pretty much after that, food was really good. I ended up just cruising home. Yeah, I appreciate you guys checking out the video, and here's to next time. Yeah, I'll see you guys.